Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus NX200t key battery. First, ensure you have a new CR2032 lithium coin battery ready. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver, though the mechanical key can often serve this purpose. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your key fob. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and slide out the mechanical emergency key. This key is essential for both manual entry and for opening the fob itself. Next, insert the tip of the mechanical key or a small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the key was housed. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery nestled inside. Use your small flathead screwdriver or the mechanical key to carefully lift and remove it. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented. Usually, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. With the new battery securely in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together until they snap shut. Ensure there are no gaps and the fit is snug. Finally, slide the mechanical emergency key back into its slot. Now, test all the buttons on your key fob to confirm that it is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your Lexus key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.